Sir, in the last video we covered how to print exception information to the console. Now the next one, sir, try with the multiple except blocks. Very important concept, sir. Sir, best example, if you are going to ask, sir, just usually in the classroom, sir, what is your name? Observe the first question they are asking, sir, what is your name like this, right? Immediately I can tell, array, my name is Durga, like this I'm telling. Yes, acceptable. Okay, sir, what is your name? Now I'm telling my name is Durga. So based on the question, I provided corresponding answer. Now immediately students are asking, sir, what is your qualification? What is your qualification? Qualification, like they are asking. Then immediately my answer is, my name is Durga, like this I'm telling. Sir, my name is Durga, like this I'm telling. Then immediately student asked again, sir, you didn't listen my question properly. Sir, what is your qualification? Okay, like they asked. Then I told, my name is Durga. Like I told, sir, my name is Durga, like this I told. Then, okay, student may feel, sir is not interested to tell his name. Okay, like immediately is going to change the question. Sir, what is your native place? Okay, what is your native place? Like he asked, sir, like. Then immediately I told, my name is Durga, like this I told, sir. My name is Durga. Then student definitely is going to feel, arey, sir, mental or pagal ho gaya? Why is telling the same answer for any question? Okay, like definitely student is going to get the doubt. Correct, right? Because the answer should be based on the question. Regarding if he is asking about name, we have to tell the name. If we are asking about qualification, we have to tell about qualification. If he is asking about native place, then I have to tell my native place. Are you getting? So the answer should be based on the question, not sir, for any question same answer is not acceptable. But in our academics, BTech or intermediate 10th class, you know, any question same answer. Sir, for academics it's okay, but in programming this type of thing is not possible. Remember, that's why. So the answer is varied from question to question. The way of handling an exception is varied from, sir, exception type to exception. Suppose arithmetic zero division error came. Array, perform these alternative arithmetic operations. Database error came. Oh, don't use Oracle, better to use MySQL. Sir, if a file not found error, okay, came, don't use a remote file, better to use a local file. Sir, have you observed? The way of handling an exception is varied from exception to exception. That's why for every exception type, compulsory we have to take separate except block. Remember, for every exception type, we have to take separate except block. So try with the multiple except blocks possible, recommended to use. Remember this one, sir. So because the way of handling an exception is varied from exception to exception, that's why the way of handling an exception is varied. For every exception type, separate except block we have to take. Try with the multiple except blocks is possible, recommended to use. Are you in the position to understand, right? Sir, let me go for a small example so that you may get much clarity. Here, see this point very carefully, sir. Sir, I'm taking here, try I'm taking. Now, do you know, here just take very special care, sir. What is the syntax? Let me explain. Sir, I'm taking except, sir, zero division error, except zero division error, like this I'm taking, sir, except zero division error. Now perform alternative arithmetic operations. Perform alternative arithmetic operations like I'm taking, sir. Next, except sir, file not found error came. Except file not found error came. Except file not found error came. Then automatically, do you know, use local file. Use a local file instead of remote file. Like, sir, have you observed? So if it is zero division error, okay, we have some handling code. If it is the file not found error, we have the corresponding handling code, right? The way of handling an exception is varied from exception to exception. That's why, so for every exception type, separate except block we have to take. So try with the multiple except blocks is possible, recommended to use. Are you in the position to understand, right? Any explanation is required? Okay, like, but here one small point you should aware. So based on raised exception, okay, some exception got raised, sir. Immediately Python virtual machine is always going to give the chance for the first one. Can you handle this exception or not? If it is matched, it will execute. If it is not matched, then it will ask a second one. So Python virtual machine is always going to give the chance from top to bottom until matched except block available. Remember this one, sir. Python virtual machine is always going to consider from top to bottom until matched except block available. Okay, remember this one, sir. So that's all. Try with multiple except blocks possible. How the order? Python virtual machine is always going to consider from top to bottom. Okay, have a look once, sir. Just a theory and then I will go for small example. Okay, try with multiple except blocks. The way of handling an exception is varied from exception to exception. Hence, for every possible exception type, we have to take separate except block. So try with multiple except blocks is possible and recommended to use. Correct? Okay. Next, here observe what is the syntax, right? Sir, here try, okay, except zero division error, perform alternative arithmetic operations. Except a file not found error, use a local file instead of remote file. Okay, like if you try with the multiple except blocks available, then based on raised exception, the corresponding except block will be executed. Is it clear for all of you, right? Up to this, so can I go for a small executable example so that you will get much clarity? Any doubt up to this? Sir, let me go for a small executable code. Observe carefully. Here I am taking try block. X is equal to int of input of enter first number, okay, like I'm taking, sir. Next, y is equal to int of input of enter second number, enter first number, enter second number, like this I'm taking. Now my target is, sir, print the result, okay, is x by y. I'm taking, sir. Now take very special care. Here in this code, which type of exceptions are possible? One is zero division error. Second one is, so if you didn't provide int value, but you are trying to typecast to the int type, then we are going to get value error. So two possible errors are there. For every exception, compulsory, it's recommended to write separate except block. Okay, now I'm taking except zero division error, except zero division error I'm taking, except zero division error. Now print can't divide with zero, can't divide with zero, that's all. This is the thing I'm taking just for syntax familiarity, beyond that nothing. So except a block, zero division error, can't divide with zero. Sir, now except value error I'm taking. Now print please provide int values only. Please provide int values only. Like this I'm taking. Please provide int values only. Now take very special care about this one, sir. So how many try blocks are there? Only one try block. But how many except blocks are there? Two except block. For every exception type, a separate except block I wrote. Yes, it is acceptable, recommended to use this type of style only. Let me execute this one. If zero division error is coming, now this except block will execute. If value error is coming, then this except block is going to execute, sir. Sir, have a look once. Here I'm taking same example. Already I took x and y, the result x by y, zero division error, can't divide with zero, value error, please provide int values only. Okay, like now, sir, here let me execute 10 2, no exception, no except block will execute, simply the result 5.0. No except block will execute, sir, simply it is the 5.0. Now let me execute, enter first number 10, enter second number 0, enter second number 0, then immediately can't divide with 0. Remember this one. So which except block got executed? Yes, this except block got executed because 0 division error got raised, sir. Now, sir, if we can take 10, enter second number 2. So 2 can't convert into type value error. That's why please provide int values only. Okay, like we are getting. Please provide int values only. Value error, right? So based on raised exception, the corresponding except block is going to be executed. Any doubt about this one? So try with the multiple except blocks is possible or not? Yes, possible. Based on raised exception, the corresponding except block is going to be executed. Is it clear for all of you, right? Okay, well. Now, there is one small point, continuation point is there, sir. So if try with the multiple except blocks are there, the order is important. Remember, Python virtual machine is always going to consider from top to bottom. Python virtual machine is always going to consider from top to bottom until matched except block identified. Remember, once I identified matched except block, remaining things I don't want to search. Okay, that is the rule what Python virtual machine is going to follow. Have a look once about this rule. Okay, just I will explain with an example. Don't worry at all. Observe that if try with the multiple except blocks available, then the order of these except blocks is important. Remember this one, order is important. Python virtual machine will always consider from top to bottom until matched except block identified. Is it clear, right? Sir, can you please explain with a small example like you may ask? Observe carefully, sir. Here I want to take a small example. Just observe. I don't want this much code for this example. Just have a look once about this one, sir. Here I am taking, sir, see. Try I am taking print 10 by 0. Print 10 by 0. Now except block I am taking, except block. Here 0 division error. 0 division error. Like this I am taking, sir. 0 division error. Sir, print 0 division error. Just print 0 division error. Like this I am taking. Next, except arithmetic error. Except arithmetic error. Like this I am taking. Except arithmetic error. Print arithmetic error. Print arithmetic error. Like this I am taking, sir. That's all. Sir, now take very special care about this terminology, right? Sir, here 0 division error is going to come. 0 division error will come. So first Python virtual machine is always going to give the chance from top to bottom. Sir, first it will ask, oh, except block, can you handle 0 division error or not? Then this person is going to tell, yes man, I can handle. Oh, identified, corresponding except block identified. Now it will execute. So what is the output we are going to get, sir? 0 division error. What the output we are going to get? 0 division error. Now same program, let me change the order of except blocks. Okay, observe carefully. Try print 10 by 0. Try print of 10 by 0 except okay, well, so what I have to take? Except first let me take arithmetic error. Arithmetic error. Let me take arithmetic error. So now, sir, print arithmetic error. The first I am taking arithmetic error. Next, except 0 division error I am taking. 0 division error. Except 0 division error I am taking. Now print 0 division error. Same example, sir. Only difference is I changed the order. Can you please tell now which one is going to execute? Sir, have you remembered exception hierarchy somewhere I covered? 0 division error. zero division error is the child class of, zero division error is the child class of arithmetic error is the child class of exception is the child class of base exception okay, like we covered this one, sir. Now so observe carefully, whenever zero division error came, immediately Python virtual machine will ask, hey, accept a block, first accept a block, can you handle zero division error or not? It will ask arithmetic error, sir. Then immediately this person is telling, hey, I can handle arithmetic error and its child classes, arithmetic error and its child classes. Arithmetic error and its child classes means zero division error also it can handle. Boss, I can handle zero division error, no problem at all, because zero division error is my child class only, this person is going to tell. So if this person identified, what the output we are going to get, sir? Arithmetic error. Are you getting? What the output we are going to get? Arithmetic error in this case. So zero division error never going to get in the chance. So even it never going to get in the chance, because zero division error responsibility this person is going to handle. So there is no error at all, but it's a valid syntax, but only first one is going to be considered. Are you in the position to understand? So order matters a lot. So it is a Python virtual machine is always going to consider from top to bottom until matched except block identified. Is it clear for all of you, right? So if I can take this order, now zero division error, if I change the order, now arithmetic error we are getting. Let me execute, let me confirm. Observe carefully about this one, sir. Here I am taking, here just my requirement is, I don't want all, print 10 by 0. Zero division error I am taking. Just let me change this code based on our requirement. Zero division error. Sir, what is the second one, sir? Arithmetic error. Okay, arithmetic error. Okay, now sir, here arithmetic error like this I am taking. Arithmetic error. So the first one zero division error, second one arithmetic error, right? Okay. Now observe carefully, sir. In this case, which one is the matched thing? The matched thing is, so first one is the matched, zero division error we will get. Okay, now have a look once. I will execute this code. Observe carefully. What the answer we are getting? Zero division error. Suppose if I change the order, sir, if I change the order, first arithmetic error, and then zero division error I am taking. Now, sir, which one is the answer we are going to get? Arithmetic error we will get, because it is the first matched thing, sir. Now observe, arithmetic error by default we are getting. So friends, everyone in the position to understand, right? So if try with the multiple except blocks are there, order is important. Python virtual machine is always going to consider from top to bottom until matched except block identified. Any doubt about this one? That's all, friends.